Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about the Thor Axis line of motorhomes. This RV line offers Thor's well-known quality in a smaller Class A motorhome footprint. Thor classifies the Axis as an RUV, or recreational utility vehicle. Essentially, it looks and feels like a Class A motorhome, but is built with a Class C engine and chassis. The chassis is a Ford E450 and the engine a 6.8-liter Triton V10, putting out 305 horsepower and 420 foot-pounds of torque. The model line ranges in length from 25.5 feet to 28.5 feet. If you have it towed, you won't have any issues, as every Axis has a trailer hitch rating of 8,000 pounds. There are 3 different floor plans in the Axis line. All of them have at least one slide on the driver's side of the RV and a drop-down bunk over the cab. The first is the Axis 24.1. It features a single slide on the driver's side of the RV housing a sofa bed. There are a pair of twin beds at the rear that can be converted into one single large king bed. This floor plan also features a drop-down twin bunk. All told, the 24.1 can sleep up to 5 people. As far as the kitchen, it is a straight line design on the camp side with a countertop extension. Number 2 in the Axis line is the 25.6. This motorhome also features a large single slide on the driver's side of the RV and contains a flip-up queen bed, closet, and dream dinette. Across the rear wall is additional closet space. Like the 24.1, kitchen is a straight line design on the camp side with a countertop extension. Total sleeping capability, including the drop-down twin bunk, is 5. The final Axis, the 27.7, features 2 slide-outs on the driver's side of the RV. The slide near the rear has a flip-up queen bed. The slide closer to the front houses a dream dinette and part of the split kitchen. The rest of the kitchen is midship, creating an L-shaped kitchen. On the camp side of the 27.7 sits the fridge, as well as a jackknife sofa, wardrobe, and bathroom. As with the other models in the Axis line, the 27.7 can sleep up to 5 campers. Now that we're done with the floor plans, let's focus on some key features. In the cab, the Axis provides a touchscreen dash radio with navigation, backup monitor, and integrated camera. It also comes with reclining swivel captain's chairs, cruise control, and a dash workstation with 110-volt and 12-volt outlets. The Axis interior features residential vinyl flooring, an 82-inch interior ceiling height, ceiling ducted air conditioning system with 15,000 BTU AC, leatherette furniture, and Euro-style cabinet doors and drawer fronts. The kitchen area of the RV comes with a double-door gas-electric refrigerator, 2-burner cooktop, convection microwave oven, pressed laminate countertop, flip-up countertop extension, and a large undermounted stainless steel single bowl sink. On the exterior of the unit, you'll find lighted rotocast storage compartments, a roof ladder, and outside shower. Additionally, the Axis has digital entertainment with 3 TVs, a 32-inch TV in the bedroom, a TV in the living area, and an exterior 32-inch TV on swivel bracket that comes with a soundbar. As you can see, the Thor Axis offers a lot of features and amenities in a short yet robust package. For those of you looking to enter the motorhome market, the Thor Axis is a great option.